Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can invite a bot to your Discord server. So what you need to do is find a bot. So let's start by clicking on the server name at the top, and then let's go to app directory over here. Now over here we have a page on Discord where we have a bunch of different bots. Depending on what you're looking for, you might find the bot that will meet your requirements and desires. You can also use these categories over here in order to find something more specific. So depending what you need, you can use that, or if you want to, we can also use the search bar at the top over here, or also it is located over here on the top as well. You can also scroll down to find something that is on top. So right now we have this trending apps, which has, for instance, this free stuff bot. So let's say I want to add it to my server, I want to invite it. All I need to do is click on this bot over here, and here I have add to server. If I click on it, then I can decide to which server I want to add this bot. I have only one, so I can choose only one server, and now I can press continue. After that, you'll see a list of permissions that the bot asks you to grant to him, or to it rather. And while adding a bot to your server, while doing that, you need to keep in mind if you actually want to trust this bot, because you might get scammed, you might get raided by the owner of the bot. They might do some weird stuff to your server and, for instance, remove channels or rename them, etc, etc. So keep that in mind when adding bots to your server, especially if they are not so popular. So in that case, please remember that. If you are sure that the bot is good to go, that you trust the bot, you can press authorize button at the bottom over here, and then you need to solve the captcha. After that, you will see this information that the bot has been added to the server, and we can click this blue button in order to go back to our server, and then you will see on the right side that the bot has been added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.